So in the last lecture we studied the properties of P4O8. So the structure of P4O8 I'll repeat again, because there are only two oxygen coordinate, and there are only two coordinated oxygens in P4O8. I think in the last video by mistake 4 oxygens have been shown, तो आप उसको ठीक कर सकते हैं. Only two oxygens are there, rest is same. Now we will study the structure of P4O10, phosphorus pentoxide. Preparation: phosphorus plus excess of oxygen, it will give us P4O10. Physical properties: it is snowy white solid. It shows phosphorescence at low temperatures, and its vapor density, it corresponds to its molecular formula P4O10. Then we have the chemical properties. So action with water: it reacts with water, cold water, to form metaphosphoric acid HPO3. It forms metaphosphoric acid with this cold water. Then this metaphosphoric acid HPO3, it reacts with water, hot water, to form your orthophosphoric acid H3PO4, H3, simple addition reaction, you can see H3PO4. Then it is dehydrating agent. P4O10 is a very strong dehydrating agent. It dehydrates sulfuric acid to sulfur trioxide. It dehydrates HNO3 to N2O5. It dehydrates RCONH2 to RCN nitrile. Then it dehydrates C6H10O6 to charcoal. So it is a very powerful dehydrating agent. Then action with carbon. On heating with carbon, it gives phosphorus and carbon monoxide. Then it reacts with basic oxide like calcium oxide to give calcium phosphate. Then next we have the structure. So you can see the structure of phosphorus pentoxide, 4 oxygen. Phosphorus, it is reacts with it is attached to 3 oxygen, forms bond, and इसके पास एक lone pair रह जाता है जिसके साथ ही coordinate bond बनाता है oxygen के साथ. So this is the structure. It is a tetrahedron, you can see. Then oxo acids of phosphorus. So we will study first hypophosphorus acid H3PO2. It contains phosphorus and in +1 oxidation state. So how it is formed? Barium hydroxide, phosphorus plus water. On heating, it will give us phosphine plus BaH2PO2 whole twice as a precipitate. Then this precipitate, it reacts with sulfuric acid to give barium sulfate and hypophosphorus acid. Another method is we can react phosphine with iodine and water. So we will get hypophosphorus acid plus HI. Now hypophosphorus acid is a colorless solid. It is colorless crystalline solid. It is soluble in water and its melting point is 26.3 degrees Celsius. Then next we have next property. Next are its chemical properties. So we will study the acidic properties. So it dissociates into H positive ion and H2PO2 negative ion. Then at 40 degrees Celsius, it dissociates to form phosphine and H3PO3. At above 63 degrees Celsius, above 60 degrees Celsius, it forms phosphine and H3PO4, orthophosphoric acid. Then reducing character. So it reduces, you can see, copper sulfate to Cu2H2. Then it reacts with HgCl2 to form Hg2Cl2, H3PO4 and HCl. Then further it reduces Hg2Cl2 to mercury. Then it reduces silver nitrate to silver, you can see, and it along that with it forms HNO3 and phosphoric acid. Then reduction with zinc, it reduces means in the presence of zinc and HCl, when nascent hydrogen is released, it forms phosphine and water. Chemical properties में. Then next we have the structure. This is the structure P double bond O, then one OH, H and H. This is the structure of H3PO2. So this is all about it. Thank you.